In this video, you will learn how to connect your GitHub repository to Claude in just 4 steps. Step 1. Open Claude and start a new project. Go to Claude.ai and log in. On the left sidebar, click New Project. Give your project a name and click Create Project. Projects let you give Claude a permanent context, including your code. Step 2. Connect your GitHub account. Inside the project, look at the top right corner and click the plus button in the Project Knowledge section. Select GitHub from the dropdown. If this is your first time, Claude will redirect you to GitHub to authenticate. Click Authorize to allow access. Step 3. Add your repository. After connecting, search for your repository by name, or paste the repository URL directly. Use the file browser to select the specific files or folders you want Claude to read. Then click Add to Project. Your selected files are now part of Claude's project knowledge. Step 4. Start asking Claude about your code. Now open a chat inside the project and start asking questions like, explain how this project is structured. Find bugs in my code. Write a README for this project. Claude will read your actual code and respond with full context. One important tip. If you update your code and push new commits, come back to the Project Knowledge section and click the sync icon to pull in the latest changes. That's it. You just connected your GitHub repository to Claude and gave it full context of your code base. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.